take it.
Huh? Rang, but it didn't. What
Yeah,
the
these are-
fluff?
Oh, what the hell? Not what I was expecting at all.
It's still got the same indicator.
Yeah, it's got the Thyssenkrupp thing behind it.
This is weird. So the other one got V on
Yeah,
it.
we just went in the other one and it was
I paused my recording, so.
and then to get the other one, I could do this.
Oh, I guess. Alright, well, I'm guessing I'm gonna delete that. Normal fixtures.
So got like slap modded.
Sure, it's a modernization?
Has to be. They had the door track. Look. Okay, no, well, not down here. What door track is that? Wait, what the hell? That's a, what is that? Seaberg door track. It's got like 3 mods. It's a nice building. You see it's got Dover door track right there. It even has the same cab. You can see under the pads the interior. It's the same interior as the
Oops.
Thyssenkrupp. Nice.
There's only a water bottle.
This is the quietest hydro I've seen. One of. Plop. This is a weird install.
Very weird.
It's had like 3 mods. And there it goes, and that's it. And then look at the picture of this. And that's it.